Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, my boy is outside ready to pick us up. I'm gonna show you guys, we've been working on like some new products, like some tire shine and like shoe cleaners and stuff like that. I haven't seen them yet, so it's gonna be my first time seeing them and I want you guys to see them with me. So we're gonna go outside, check them out, probably go somewhere, you know, have a little business meeting. Since we are gonna be out and about, guys, I'm gonna open a new mask. Make sure to go cop it, sidewaysmerch.com. Or is it sidewaysstore.com? I don't know. It's sidewaysstore.com. Yeah, so you guys make sure to go cop your masks. Alright, now let's get it.
Ain't no cussing.
Uy, está frío. I'm alone there? There are people in there? Yeah, people. Who's back? How much people is there? Oh, just two.
What's up, man? What up, bro?
Hey, hold up. Go the other way. I want a bitch seat.
We good?
No.
Is B-dubs all good?
Yes. We just ate, but I'm always hungry, so I'm not.
There's that one.
How cool. Can I spray it on you?
Hell no.
Hey guys, check it out. Sideways tire shine. Keep your stocks looking clean.
And then here's the shoe cleaner.
EB Kicks.
Yep.
Cleaner and conditioner kit.
Which one's that? It's razor fit. It's for carpet. This one's for your wheels.
So this first one right here, guys, this is a shoe cleaner. ¿Cuál es este?
That's for the wheels.
Iron out wheel cleaner.
Carpet.
Carpet cleaner for when you get kids on your carpet. And the best one, the sideways tire shine.
Interior cleaner.
And interior cleaner, check it out, guys. Hydro Shield Interior Rejuvenator. A very hard word to pronounce. There's more. Super. What is this? Is this for like paint?
Yeah, it takes away small scratches.
Spray sealant.
And it's like, what's the
Detail input. Shake product thoroughly before use.
you get, what's that thing called when ceramic coating?
Yeah.
It's like a 3-month ceramic coating on
This?
that one.
What is this?
This one. That one is
Meticulo. Métetelo por el culo. Meticulosis. All-purpose cleaner. So this is literally for anything. Does this work as Windex too?
Yes.
Yeah. This is literally for everything, you guys.
Which is that? Firebird. That one's a wheel cleaner too, but it doesn't take out brake dust like the other one does.
Firebird wheel.
So like for like shiner? Yeah, basically. That's just another razor blade, but it has a different thing.
Oh, has a different. Wait, what is this one for again? The carpet cleaner,
Yeah.
but it has a different smell.
No, it's the same one, just different label.
Oh.
That one's waterless wash. A quick detailer. That one's really good.
Also, you don't have to dry it or what?
I mean, you could do dry it.
Or this to what? Like you spray
without,
it.
Yeah,
oh,
without
okay,
water or
okay.
anything.
Okay, this might be my favorite one right here. This one, you don't gotta go to the car wash or nothing. You get a bottle of this and you just wash your mamalona right there on the spot.
What was like the waterless
That's
wash?
cool. Yeah.
Degreaser.
Heavy degreaser. Cause I know y'all's young kids be. What do they be doing? Y'all's young kids be leaking oil everywhere. I pa que echen donde quiera. Here, man. Let me carry all of them like a baby. Put them all right here. Look, I'm like a mother.
Like 4 more.
Oh, put them all. I ordered new tires for the billet, so we have to try this on the tires. Alright guys, so yesterday we were showing you guys all the cleaning products and stuff. Right now we're gonna use them on the truck, but as you can see, look, from the show, it's leaking a bunch of shit. I don't know, I'm pretty sure this is brake fluid. Oh, it's drifting. So there's brake fluid, guys. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys that it's like dented out the bed. I don't know if you can see right there, but it is dented out. And we shouldn't move it like this at all, but it's not a good idea to try these products while it's dirty. So we're gonna take the truck out. For the first time ever, I'm gonna wash my own truck. We're probably gonna just spray it with the hose or something. And then 2 of these are for the outside, and then 1 of them is for the inside. And I'll show you guys the inside in a bit because it's full of dirt. But let me take it out real quick.
Where's that Ghetto?
Show the inside. It looks horrible. Not dusty. Did we show the rim? Look guys, what happened to the billet. So there's that. This right here. The whole thing's basically all scratched up. You found why it's leaking? Alright, come check it out. Oh, did it snap it? God damn it. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah? The tire went around the brake line and like, yeah, it just like pinched it. That's like, con la hose or should I use the power washer?
Power wash.
Where's your gato at? Right there. Where's your kitty at? Oh yeah. Anybody want to buy a truck?
96 millas originales.
¿En cuánto?
Necesito que me hagan oferta, a ver si tal vez te digo 2000 y me quieres dar 3000. Nada, no te creo. Pero ya es original. Está en perfecto estado. Vaya. Estándar. 4 velocidades. I'll give you my number and then.
Yeah, say the number. C10 for sale, guys. Cop it.
Original 85, no le falla nada, bro. 4 velocidades.
Call that if you want to buy it.
Okay, cool, man. Guys,
719-453-4372. If you guys want to buy that C10, hit them up. He's giving out promotions and shit. Right here, Omar, be useful. Here, go connect this over there. Right there on the porch. Yeah. I don't even know if this thing works. Okay. Isn't it supposed to have like a gun? Yeah. What is in there?
aren't the lines frozen though?
Can you unfreeze it? Like you gotta run it for a bit?
No.
No? Never mind, guys. We're not washing the truck. I hate you. Alright guys, since we can't wash the truck because all the water's frozen, I don't want the rims to look like this in the garage, so we're gonna literally cut this tire off with the grinder, and this one like that's all boluda. Like it has all these balls on it right here. So I'm gonna take the air out and we're gonna cut it off too. I pause it. Okay, taking the air out like that is taking too long, so I'm just gonna cut it to the tire. Will it blow up or something?
Maybe. If it has too much air.
I'm kind of scared now. Is it dangerous?
I'm trying to take all of the air.
I'm scared. Hold on, I'm scared.
Just go for it.
Take out more air.
Yeah, too much air. It's just gonna sound like you're blowing up the tires.
It smells like you were burning out.
There? More?
Yeah.
Alright, now that this one, there's coming out, let's cut off this tire off. Poor rim, fool. Where are you even? Oops. Oh shit! I cut it! I accidentally cut it! Alright, we're gonna be more careful. Oh shit! Oh, I'm sorry. God damn it. Why don't you just take it for a tire shop? They'll take off the rim. They'll take off the tire for $5. Y'all got $5. Oh, I hate it here, man. Sorry guys, I'm doing it like this because I'm not gonna be using the truck for a while, and I'm not like trying to go to a tire shop because that's doing the most. Ow. Look, it went in through my nail. Bro, who let me grab a grinder? What the hell? Oh, this really hurt. Are we gonna die? Bro, who let me use a grinder? What the hell? I'm kind of scared now. Ouch. Okay. Oh, like this, the whole thing. So I cut off the bottom. No, the whole thing, like the whole tire thing. Vaya. I was putting it on the spot. Lift it up all the way. You can't take it out there. Useless.
Other than this one.
Lift it off an eyepiece. That's on the rim. I'm gonna cut the rim.
Hot. Wait.
Oh, actually, do that. Así, así.
Right there.
I need more blades. Let me find out my tire. Is it recording? Yeah. That might be my tire. We're over here doing all this ghetto shit. The tire's probably here. God damn, what the hell is that? I don't know. What do you thought we're gonna redo? Since we're redoing the whole truck again, we're gonna take off all the rims. We're gonna clean them all good. That's why we're doing this, so we could polish the whole rim all around. And then we're gonna take off the front lip and the front valance because I got those brand new. And then we're not gonna put all the rims on until I get all the tires brand new. And what else are we gonna do? And we're just gonna detail the whole truck. And obviously just not use it till we're ready. Cause I feel really bad for it, poor truck. Oh my shit, where's the tool bag? Did he take it on it? It's right here. You know what a grinder key looks like?
Open the very top.
No, the bag.
Oh, shit.
Oh, nice.
What does it look like you?
I don't think I need it. Just look for more discs de estos. More of these discs like this.
The disc.
Alright, let's try to cut this part off.
Not this one?
Actually, these discs suck like really bad. Le voy a poner el... Le voy a poner el disco más perro que tenemos. Hold up. I got a sick ass one. Alright guys, ya le pusimos el disco más perro que tenemos. So this one's gonna cut off everything right away. So we shouldn't struggle no more. Cool. Damn, look at all the sand, all the dirt and shit. Okay, next. People working their whole lives for these, no more here cutting into them and shit. What? I'm just scared to cut into it.
You just do them straight like this.
What can we do?
Good luck.
I don't know. How do crazy bitches do it, man? Then they be slashing tires.
Stabbing them.
Ah, damn. Yeah, look at all this.
All the smoke's gonna go in the truck.
It's dead anyway. Damn. God damn. That's not good. Alright, so this wheel's dirty too. Look, it literally has dirt just chilling right there. We're gonna take this. We're literally gonna take all the wheels off so we can polish them good and stuff. And the whole truck's just, we gotta redo the whole truck. Like this is coming off. Oh shit. This came off actually. It's literally chipping, man. Ah, that looks ugly as fuck. Look. We're gonna redo everything on this truck, man, so everything's gonna come off. I don't even know where this goes to, actually.
It's over.
I'm just mad at this shit. I'm gonna just pull fucking everything off.
Is that ever broke?
I'm tired. break the tail lights off now or what?
No.
You should take this.
Pop the tire shine, y'all. I'ma fall. I'ma fall. Alright guys, I know this video is a little bit all over the place. First, we were trying to wash the truck and, you know, test out the product, so we couldn't. And then we were trying to take off tires, and then we ran out of blades. So we're gonna do that another day. Right now, we're like, let's go check out if the C10 will turn on for some reason. And at least so I can show you guys one product, we're gonna try the tire shine out on the C10, because you know it has the best tires around. Let's try it on the outside one. Alright guys, see that nasty ass tire? Do you have to like wipe it? Or does it matter?
No.
No? Alright, we're gonna try it. You guys see how dirty it is, right? How nasty it is?
Smells good.
And it smells like gum. I don't know if you guys, can you guys smell it? I need a rag, no?
Yeah.
Or what is this? McDonald's? God damn it. What else is there? We don't got no wipes. Is there wipes in here? Nope. Alright, anyways, come try the tire. It's really shiny. Obviously, I didn't do it very well, but makes it shine. Works on paint too. Now what we're gonna do, you know, seal it back up. Look at the product, guys. Sideways tire shine, and I used a lot. Do not use that much. You probably need to spray like twice or something. But check these out, guys. These are gonna be available in April at the Denver Premium Outlets for $15 for these ones. All the other ones are gonna be $13. So make sure to check that out. Oh, it's locked. Yeah. We really have to get rid of this truck, guys, so we have to make it turn on somehow. Oh, it has no battery. It's not gonna have battery. Dead. Never mind. Useless. Unless this is what? You have cables? Huh? Oh. Alright, never mind. He's useless. He has no cables. But we just wanted to check real quick if the C10 turned on, and I did want to show you guys that product. We can't really do anything else for now. But tomorrow we'll make a second video showing the rest of the products, because we're actually going to go get the blue truck washed. We can't really do much with this truck. So for now, you know, just know that it's shiny. And like I said, in April, remember, like go check it out. We'll be at the Denver Premium Outlets. And there's going to be shoe cleaners as well, and all the detail products for vehicles, for your mamalonas and all that. And that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune back in tomorrow to see the rest of all these. And peace.